To remove and replace the skags on your Indy snowmobile, follow these steps. When replacing skags, always replace in pairs and follow all warnings listed in the owner's manual. Ensure the snowmobile is on a flat level surface. Safely raise the sled so the skis are at least 6 inches off the ground. Next, remove the 3 skag nuts and washers inside the ski. Then, pull the skag down and out of the ski to remove. Inspect the skag for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Skags should be replaced when they have worn to half their original diameter and should always be replaced in pairs. Next, align the skag studs to the ski mounting holes and install the skag. Then, install the 3 washers and skag nuts. Torque the nuts to specification. Once complete, safely lower the snowmobile to the ground. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.